Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out this 1994 Ford F-150. One owner truck, 63,000 original miles. Just super clean, great running pickup. It's freezing cold here today, so there's some condensation coming out of the exhaust.
What a nice color on this truck too.
Yeah, very clean all the way around. Seems to be original paint, at least it is on the hood.
Yeah, you can just see some little checking on the hood, see that? But the paint, yeah, it's even down in here. So definitely original paint on the hood, but super straight, nice shine too.
Very solid underneath, and they added a little lift kit that's right down here. These are neat. These are probably one of the, I don't know if they're the last year or one of the last years of the square bodies before they went to that kind of uglier rounded body, but runs great.
Got the 5.0 in it, air conditioning, everything pretty much works too.
Power windows, even that.
Yep. Brand new Napa battery. I mean, this truck's just ready to roll. Where do you find one with 60,000 miles?
You don't, and then...
yeah, you do.
Well, we do right here. But I'm saying, oh, well, other than that, they're super hard to find. One owner pickup, bumper, all that's all original, still in good shape. You can just tell a little bit of wear on the Argent, but...
Don't you love the silver with it?
I do.
And you know what? Short boxes are great, but with the way this stance is with the lift, I'd much rather have the long box. I think the long box looks awesome.
Yeah, it does. Frame, really solid. Cab corners, very solid. It's got a little rough country lift on it. I'm guessing probably 3 inches. Nothing too radical.
Nothing crazy. Here's your corner of the door. Absolutely rust-free, perfect. This is a North Carolina truck. It's where it lived its life. It's even got power seat, B. Lumbar. Works.
Very nice. Sorry, let's go back on.
Look at the pinch welds right here.
Very nice.
Shape, adult inside cab corners. This is up close and personal with it. Look at the floors. It is not, we got just a skiff of snow this morning. Absolutely no salt on the road yet. So we're definitely, once we get it back from the short drive, we will wash it underneath again. But the seats are like almost perfect in it still. And
really, that's the biggest thing is how clean the interior is. So many times these interiors get so worn out and ripped up and dirty and stained, and this one's just like brand new almost.
It really is, Dalton. It's like taking just a step back in time. It does have a remote here as well. Got radio information. Even the wiring, everything under there. Inside corner of the door is great. All the lights work inside the doors. Back lights work. Back bumper, front bumper is excellent. Hitch is nice. As we look up and down the sides, super straight. Maybe a little tiny little ding right here.
You'll have some small little scuffs probably, but
paint
overall
is great on it.
Yeah, bed's in nice shape too. It's original, but really not too dinged up. Really in good shape.
Whoever had it took such good care of it. Driver's side up and down the sides, very straight. And no rust anywhere around the edges of the truck, and the inner fenders are great. Cab corners, again, rust-free, nice. Bottom of the door, you want to grab that ding. Two little tiny dings in the bottom of the front fender in the black way down low.
I can't hardly see.
Door buzzer works. See what I'm talking about, right?
Not really.
Right here.
Oh, very, very small.
Two
like
tiny ones, yeah. Yeah, just total little dings here. Original door handle's got some wear to it in the chrome. Door panel is beautiful. Again, lights work. Look at the carpet in the inside of the door here. Door locks work, power mirror, windows. It's all your factory stickers. No overspraying, none of that. It tells us the jams are probably original paint still. I guess it's just got power lumbar, right? Not power seat. It's got manual seat.
Power lumbar.
Power lumbar.
I'm just kind of hoping the heat works, and it does.
Open the heat works. And the lumbar works.
Nice, that's cool.
All of it, yep. Got the sliding rear window, and that's perfect. These work great as far as your, see the two side ones?
Yeah.
And then when you open your door, that one works.
Yeah, it's a really nice pickup.
Oil pressure is great. Temp gauge is just coming up now. Battery gauge works. Gas gauge works. Here's your four-wheel drive. Four-wheel driving gauges. We'll go ahead and shut it off here and back up. Get it out of there. Power windows work. Locks, heat, radio. Really, the only wear at all is the driver's side sun visor. Has just a couple of slits in it. Are we okay over there, Dave?
Yep, you're good.
Jimmy parked us a little close. Horn works, we'll check the cruise.
It's a cold
We've had
one
so many
today.
inquiries about this already, just sitting on the lot. You know,
Yeah.
people local just
Yeah,
go
'cause
nuts
they're-
over these things.
They're sweet, you know, and they're recent enough people remember them, but a lot of them just rusted out. You never see them this clean.
I graduated school in '95, so I mean, something like this is what everyone wanted back in the day.
That would have been brand new back then almost.
Kickdown works good, speedometer
Good
works
power.
good. Yeah, for a little 302,
Shift's
it's
good.
got plenty.
Absolutely.
Oh, that was
That
our
was just my seat clicking in.
clicking back in. Here's your brakes. They work perfect. No pull left or right. Really nice pedal. Turn signal indicator works good as well. See how it goes on the highway, should we?
Mm-hmm. We got a little radio in here. Turns on. That works.
To pick up your kids in the car from school.
Look how nice it goes down the highway. 50 mile an hour. Kickdown works good. We're going 55. We'll go a little further here. Nice shift, 60 mile an hour. And it really seals up nice.
Yeah, it does. It's quiet in here. It's a
Nice and
cold,
warm
windy
in
day.
here
Yeah.
too. Go ahead and turn right here. High-speed braking going behind us.
Brakes work awesome.
Yeah, they do.
It really does just kind of drive like a one owner, 60,000 low mileage truck.
You pretty sure I'm the one owner? I didn't.
That's what we were told.
Okay, gotcha.
That's what the guy said, but it's always hard to prove on these old
Yeah,
cars
if
and
a guy
trucks,
wants to
but-
check, you could probably do a Carfax. But that's nice, isn't it?
Mhm.
I like the cup holders here too. It's just a nice touch.
Yeah. It is. Cool truck. Wait for this little semi. But even the dash, you know, a lot of times these plastics get all either faded out or cracked up. And this one looks good.
It's perfect. And you can tell it. You know, it's not like it was, ever roached out or ever had any, dirty and shit. They always kept it up. You know,
Yeah.
obviously the carpet's been shampooed again, but it's never been like stinky or
Yeah.
dirty and cleaned. It's always been well kept.
Yep. Definitely seems that way. Kick down works.
Yeah, but as far as the power goes, it's fine.
Yeah.
Especially with these big tires and wheels.
Yep.
Speaking of the wheels and tires, they're in great shape as well. Great
Yep.
look.
Yeah, it does. Great truck. Check
Yeah,
it
it
out.
drives as nice as it looks. I mean, it's a cocky looking truck, but with the 63,000 miles and just the way how tight and nice it is, you can get a lot of use out of this thing
Yeah.
if you want to start driving it every day.
You definitely can. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.